Grand Canyon of the East. Tucked away in western New York lies a place so massive, so breathtaking, it's earned the title the Grand Canyon of the East. Welcome to Letchworth State Park. Carved deeply by the Genesee River, this hidden gem features towering slate cliffs stretching up to 600 feet high. But the real stars of the show? Three massive, roaring waterfalls that slice right through the heart of the gorge. Today, we're counting down the best views and the hidden trails of this nature lover's paradise. Our journey begins at the Upper Falls, standing at 70 feet tall. This horseshoe-shaped waterfall puts on quite a show. But what makes this spot truly iconic is the active railroad bridge towering hundreds of feet directly above the crest. If your timing is perfect, you might just catch a freight train crossing high over the rushing water. It's a perfect mix of historic engineering and raw natural power. Just a short walk down the trail brings us to the biggest attraction in the park, the Middle Falls. Dropping a massive 107 feet, the sheer volume of water moving here creates a continuous, deep thunder you can feel in your chest. The mist rises so high it often blankets the viewing platforms, creating a brilliant rainbows on sunny days. There's an accessible, paved walkway right along the edge, making this the best spot for a cinematic, up-close view. If you are looking to escape the crowds, head down to the lower falls. Getting here requires a bit of a hike, including a famous set of stone steps carved right into the cliffside. The lower falls is split by a rocky island, creating a dramatic jagged drop. Down here, the canyon narrows significantly, giving you an intimate look at the ancient rock layers and the swirling green waters below. Planning your trip, whether you visit in the lush green of summer or during the fiery peak of autumn foliage, Letchworth is a bucket list destination that never disappoints. If you enjoyed exploring these waterfalls with us, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and let us know in the comments which waterfall looked the most epic to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next trail.